Yep. And our first position ends up with a profit. And our position is in profit, guys. So this 1 minute time frame, look at this, perfect. Good job, guys. So we almost made it up to $3,000. So we read the market, brilliant technical analysis. Greetings, fellow traders, my name is Ted Trader and I'm here to guide you through the world of binary options trading. I'll be sharing the most effective and profitable strategies to help you succeed. If you're new to the scene and lack experience, join to my closer Telegram groups where I provide free signals with a 90% accuracy rate. Social trading is also an option, perfect for those who have limited time and can't constantly monitor their trades. Simply copy my moves and make profitable deals without needing to be at your computer or phone. Don't forget watch video in full, hit the subscribe button, like and leave a comment. By doing so, you'll be automatically turned into $300 draw, where 3 lucky subscribers will each win $100 from me. Let's begin our journey together and make some profits. So guys, let's start our trading session. All the currency pairs have already been picked out. Today we have OTC currency pairs, you can see that. We got almost $2,000 on the balance and I'm gonna make $3,000 of this and withdraw, let it be $2,000 and keep the rest for the future trading. Today I'm gonna open 250 positions, and what concerns of the strategy for today's trading. And it's gonna be one of my favorites, the Kelner channel in combination with Stochastic, but we should configure the Stochastic first. Set the period 5, the overbought zone will be 70 and the oversold zone will be 13. These settings work well for me and I recommend you to try them as well. Today we'll try to focus on the stochastic behavior and also take into consideration the Kelner channel. And I think we are gonna succeed as usual. Let's get started. We have to find the currency pairs. Let's do this in order to find the best trade entry. Let's analyze the market a little bit. Well, I'm okay with the market situations. I see the potential signals for the future trade entries. Let's open a long position here. Let me explain the principle of trade entry. I'll point parts of workspace. We see that a potential reversal takes place and our support zone is really strong here. And previously the price went up in all the cases. Now we see a little flat here and the candles have these long shadows. And I think the price is very likely to go up. And also the stochastic strives to break out and crossing the mark 30 should happen at any second. As we can see, the breakout is happening right now. The price movement enters the inner channel here, so we could expect that, and I'm sure that the breakout is gonna be completed in the end. And our position will be in profits. Yep. And our first position ends up with a profit. Like you see, the pullback did happen, the support zone played out perfectly, and we in profits. Let's pick out the next currency pair for the better trade entry. So we could open here. I'm sure the price will go to the upside, so let's do that. we open our long position and I'll explain the principle of trade entry. There are 40 seconds left before the closing of the candle. I'm fine with this timing. We don't pay much attention to the stochastic now. However, let's consider the stochastic either. Let's point out this level, the level around 50. I guess the price got rejected all the time on this level, and the stochastic seems to be reversing here. The upward trend prevails. We see the dynamics of the price movement. We have the correction, the broad through the inner channel. Next we should point out this level. The price pumped up and then a little pullback took place. The price returned to the inner channel, the support zone played out at this level, so that's why we opened the long position. And our position is in profit, guys. So this 1 minute time frame, look at this perfect timing of our trade entry, guys. Now the stochastic is going down for the further correction, but we open it correctly. I hypnotized that there were 40 seconds left before the candle's closing, and I had decided that the trade entry would be the most profitable. So, and that's exactly what happened, and let's change the currency pair for the better trade entry. Well, I don't see anything so far. However, we can also open a long here. Let's tap on this one. We see this huge correction to the downside. Let's point out the workspace. The stochastic has broken the level 30 and the price should move upwards because the uptrend prevails now. And the updating of the local low is happening and the price should go up. I remind that this is OTC and we shouldn't pay attention to the stochastic all the time. Moreover, we should play ahead of the market. OTC is really good for this. We see a very strong correction to the downside of this resistance zone, and now the price should move to the upside and the position will be closed in profit, guys. The support zone is playing out right now. We also see the reversal of the stochastic. There are literally 5 seconds left before the closing of our position and we're gonna be in profits. I like the movement of this candle. We see a long shadow and this one also end up in the profit, guys. Everything is so simple and we are in profits again. Right on the same currency pair, if I'm not mistaken, with a nice payout trade, of course. And let's find the next currency pair for the most profitable trade entry. Let's check out what do we have at the beginning. I think we can open a long position here. I'll explain the principle of trade entry. We focus on the stochastic here. So nice trade entry. We see the upward trend on the chart. We also understand this smooth price movement at this zone. And the movement is also repeated here, but with a smaller amplitude. Here we point out this support zone. The price broke out the inner channel, and after this the price held at one level for a moment, and now the price will go to the upside, I guess. Next we see the stochastic is gonna cross the level 30 actually. It already touches it and we see the breakout. There are several seconds left before the closing and this one is also in the profit. Good job, guys. So we almost made it up to $3,000. So we read the market, brilliant technical analysis, nice trade entry, 1 minute time frame. That's all we need, guys. We are analyzing the situation perfectly. Our analysis is based on the stochastic, the Kelner channel, and basically our positions are closed in profits all the time. And let's change the currency pair for the most profitable trade entry. So let's take a look at here. We see this very strong dump is happening. Let's take a look at the candle's behavior. the support zone is gonna play out here. There we go, the stochastic has crossed the 30 line. Let's wait a little bit. I think we open here on this currency pair. And I think now is the best timing for opening a long position, guys. We are playing ahead of the market, and let's analyze it. Look, we're gonna point out two zones. The first one is here. The price broke this level down, and the second one, the touch of the support zone took place. The price should reverse and start going to the upside. We see a very dynamic price movement in the zone, both the strong pump and the strong dump right after. But the uptrend prevails now. The updating of the local low did happen, and the price should start going up. Start going to the upside now. We don't take the stochastic seriously now because we're playing ahead of the market on a 1 minute time frame. It is gonna show us anything. Yep, exactly as I predicted, the breakout is happening and the position should be closed in profit. Our position has been closed with a profit, guys. We got $2,870 on our balance. Now we played out ahead of the market. The doji pattern has formed here, the support zone played out, and the price broke this level down, and probably the price is gonna go lower or go to the upside following the trend direction. But because of the opening on a 1 minute time frame, we actually succeed here, and the position was closed in profit. That's why I like trading on a 1 minute time frame, and this strategy helps me a lot, guys. So I recommend to try it out yourself. And let's find the next currency pair for the most profitable trade entry. So let's take check out the other currency pairs. So the inner channel price movement is happening here, but actually I have no idea where the trend is gonna go by now. Now the flag prevails, so I don't want to open here. Look at these strong upward dynamics. So here we could play out the pullback. Let's open a short position here. I'll explain the principle to you. We honored the achievement, guys. So look, the price broke out the inner channel. First of all, we should look at this low volatility of the candles. We understand the dynamics of the price direction. The breakout did happen here. The resistance zone played out here. And I'm sure the price is gonna reverse and start moving to the downside. Don't you see? So let's point out this zone, and then the zone higher. And now in theory the zone a little more higher and the price should go to the downside. The stochastic also touched the level 70, and we see the reversal. There is no more strong movement here. That's why we opened our short position. And like you see, the price started going down, nice straight entry level, and there is literally seconds left before the closing. And our position is in profit, guys. We got $3,100 on our balance. We got 1,400 in profits. I think this is great outcome. That's exactly what I tried to reach today. Nice trading session out of the weekend, guys. You see, it took us several minutes to make $1,400 on OTC, guys. As you see, my strategies combination with my technical analysis work out perfectly. And I wanna remind you about my Telegram groups, where I provide you free signals with a 90% accuracy rate. Join my close Telegram group. I will wait you. And let's withdraw our money, guys. I think I'll withdraw $3,000 to my BTC wallet. Put down $3,000 here, Bitcoin address, and press the continue button. So that is it, our transaction is being processed, there is $100 left on the balance. I think I can multiply this in the next time, and I'll attach the screens with the positive transaction as always. Thanks you for watching, subscribe to my YouTube channel, put the like button, leave a comment down below. See you soon, traders. Bye bye.